Welcome to Battle of the Best. The best Goldline Controls circuit board is probably one of the most crucial components in ensuring the smooth and efficient operation of your pool and spa systems, acting as the central nervous system that dictates everything from water temperature and filtration cycles to lighting and jet functions. Without a reliable and up-to-date circuit board, you risk experiencing a cascade of issues, from minor inconveniences like malfunctioning displays to major problems such as inconsistent heating or pump failures, ultimately impacting your enjoyment and potentially leading to costly repairs. Number 5. Hayward GLX-PCB-RITE AquaRite Replacement Main PCB. Is your Hayward AquaRite salt chlorination system not functioning correctly? This is the main printed circuit board replacement you need. Ensure your system is back online with this essential component. This is a genuine replacement main PCB designed specifically for Hayward Goldline AquaRite salt chlorine generators. It's the perfect fit to restore your system's performance. Don't let a faulty circuit board disrupt your pool's sanitation. This replacement PCB will help bring your salt chlorination system back to its optimal working condition. For proper selection and installation, we recommend contacting a licensed pool professional. They can ensure this part is correctly fitted for your specific Hayward Goldline AquaRite model. Designed as a direct replacement, integrating this circuit board into your existing Hayward Goldline AquaRite system is straightforward. Get your pool's chlorine generator working like new again. What we like. This is a direct replacement for your main circuit board. It's designed specifically for Hayward Goldline AquaRite salt chlorine generators. If your existing board is failing and you have an AquaRite system, this is the part you need. Consider this if you're looking for a straightforward replacement and are comfortable with professional installation. What people say. The circuit board is a direct replacement for the original and works perfectly. Easy to install and the unit fired right up after replacement. The board has a clear layout and seems to be well made. Number 4. Hayward AquaRite PCB Display Replacement. This is a replacement PCB display for your Hayward AquaRite salt chlorine generator. It's designed to restore the functionality of your unit. This part is specifically designed as a direct replacement for your existing display. Installation is straightforward, getting your system back online quickly. It fits Hayward Goldline AquaRite models. It also ensures compatibility with several Hayward Goldline AquaTrol salt chlorine generator models. Crafted for durability, this black display PCB is built to last. It ensures reliable performance for your pool's chlorine generation system. This component is the essential display PCB you need for your salt chlorine generator. It's a perfect fit for seamless integration. What we like. This component is the display board for your salt chlorine generator. It's compatible with both AquaRite and AquaTrol models. If your current display is malfunctioning or unreadable, this part will restore its functionality. Choose this if you need to fix a broken screen on your Hayward Goldline system. What people say. The circuit board is a direct replacement for the original. It was easy to install and the pool equipment started working immediately. The product arrived quickly and was well packaged. Number 3. Hayward GLX-PCB-MAIN Replacement Main PCB. This is the main printed circuit board replacement. It is designed to be a direct fit for your Hayward automation system. Ensure compatibility and optimal performance with this genuine Hayward replacement part. It's the main PCB you need for your system. This circuit board is specifically designed for Hayward Goldline AquaLogic automation systems. It ensures seamless integration and functionality. It also fits Hayward Goldline AquaPlus automation systems. Keep your pool automation running smoothly with this essential component. If your current main PCB is malfunctioning, this replacement will restore your automation system's functionality. Get back to full control. Designed for straightforward installation, this main printed circuit board will have your system back up and running in no time. It's the perfect replacement. What we like. This is the main circuit board for advanced automation systems. It is specifically designed for Hayward Goldline AquaLogic and AquaPlus controllers. If you have a more sophisticated pool automation setup that is experiencing issues with its main control board, this is the replacement you'll need. Opt for this if you're managing an AquaLogic or AquaPlus system. What people say. The circuit board is a direct replacement for the original, making installation straightforward. It has improved the overall performance of the pool system, with all functions working as expected. The design is robust and appears to be of good quality, suggesting durability. Number 2. Hayward AquaRite GLX-PCB-RITE Compatible Main Circuit Board. Introducing a compatible replacement main circuit board for your Hayward AquaRite salt system. This part is designed to seamlessly integrate with your existing setup. This is an aftermarket compatible replacement for Hayward part number GLX-PCB-RITE. It's engineered to be a direct fit for your main PCB. It's also compatible with NatureSoft and Mineral Spring systems, offering versatility for various saltwater chlorinators. Installation is straightforward, simply consult your owner's manual for guidance. Plus, it comes with a 1-year full warranty for your peace of mind. Please note, this replacement part is only compatible with the T15 size salt cell. It is an independent aftermarket product. What we like. This is a compatible aftermarket main circuit board. It offers a cost-effective alternative to OEM parts and comes with a full 1-year warranty. If you're looking for a reliable replacement for your AquaRite system that provides good value and peace of mind with a warranty, this is an excellent choice. It's particularly suitable if you want a USA-made part. What people say. The circuit board is a direct replacement for the original. Installation was straightforward and the board functions as expected. Number 1. Hayward AquaPod 2.0 Wireless Remote. Introducing the Hayward AquaPod 2.0, a revolutionary wireless remote designed to put total control of your outdoor oasis right at your fingertips. It's the ultimate upgrade for your Hayward control system. This device is exclusively compatible with Hayward ProLogic, AquaPlus, or on-command control systems, offering seamless integration. Enjoy intuitive light dimming control where available, enhancing your pool's ambience. Worry-free operation is guaranteed with its 100% waterproof design and built-in rechargeable batteries. You can even operate it while it's charging, ensuring uninterrupted enjoyment of your pool. Navigate with ease on the 4.3-inch color LCD touchscreen, providing convenient nighttime viewing. Its dual equipment capability means you can manage more of your outdoor features effortlessly. Take command of your pool, spa, and other outdoor features, including multiple heaters and chlorinators. This remote puts comprehensive management of your backyard environment within easy reach. A wireless antenna, which easily attaches to your main control unit, is required for communication with all wireless accessories. This ensures a robust connection and optimal performance for your entire system. What we like. This is a waterproof wireless remote with a touchscreen. It allows for full control of your pool, spa, and other outdoor features, even from a distance. If you desire the convenience of managing your entire pool system wirelessly from anywhere in your yard, this is the perfect accessory. It's ideal for those who want advanced, easy-to-use control over their ProLogic, AquaPlus, or on-command system. What people say. The circuit board is a direct replacement and works perfectly. Easy to install and the unit fired right up after replacement. The board was exactly what I needed and fixed the issue with my pool heater. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.